Good day everyone! For today's episode, dahil Christmas na, gagawa ko ng roast beef. First, we need salt. Wala akong rock salt, I used iodized salt. Sa kabila. Next is black pepper. I-spread lang natin para papunta sa ibang portion. Next, onion powder. Huwag kayong magtipid kasi malaki naman yung meat. Next is garlic powder. And last, rosemary. Then I stand by this for 3 hours. So while waiting, I'm making a fresh roll. Of course, we need butter lettuce. Pag bumili kayo ng butter lettuce, piliin yung lata. Fresh, of course. Cucumber. Tatanggalin natin yung loob kasi magtutubig yan. Slice ko na din itong butter lettuce. Red cabbage. Kailangan din natin. Minipes. Dahil tinamad na ako, bumili na lang ako ng shredded carrot. Para ready na. Of course, we need rice paper para makagawa tayo ng fresh roll. Skinless shrimp. Ito yung shrimp lang yung gagamitin, pero itong deep na hindi ko na ito isasali. Lechon kawali. Optional lang to. Kung okay lang naman sa inyo, pwede naman kayo mag-double meat like shrimp, pork, or shrimp, chicken. Yeah. Ang init yan. Masarap siya mainit pa kasi crispy pa yung balat. So this is it. Yan. Bababad natin sa water ng butter lettuce, vermicelli noodle, shrimp, cucumber, carrots, red cabbage. Yung lechon kawali natin. Hindi natin ng mint lips. Ayan. I-wrap na natin. Dapat dahan-dahan na yung pag-wrap kasi baka mabutas yung rice paper natin. Ito lang. And now, gagawa ako ng sauce for fresh roll. I have garlic, peanut butter. I also use a homemade peanut butter. I use milk. Mekos-mekos nyo na. Hoisin sauce. Rice vinegar, soy sauce, Honey, kung walang honey, pwede naman sugar. It's good, it's perfect. Wala akong masabi. Masarap.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle.
Merry Christmas!